Now I've got this figured out. Hey, this is Kiri. Hear that noise he makes? It's so cute. You happy to see me, baby? Oh.
Just stand up and move around.
What's up, baby? Such a good boy.
Sort of.
Heading back over to see if there's any food left. Nope, no food. Not in either bowl. He'll come back in a second. This is Jasper. It's my tubby one. That's also an irreplicatable noise. Are you gonna warble for me, baby? Oh, miss me? Miss me? Oh, I'm not gonna feed you again, baby. Hmm? Oh, you're so pretty. Your mommy missed you. I can't pick you up with this arm. Here, Jeremy can pick you up. You need pettins. You're so pretty. I love you both. You're both my boys. Oh, where's your nose is all wax you just ate? Good boy. Had to feed them right when I got home. Oh, who are my babies? I'm like all like baby talk at my cats because I can't help it. They're so precious. I love them. Jasper. Oh, and Kiri's all headbutting Jeremy and there's my boys together. They're like the same color. It's ridiculous. Jasper's gonna trundle off that way and wow, oh god, Gary's gonna be like freaky in the dark. But kitties, also Jeremy. Oh, come on, sweetie. Bitte? You can't hide behind the cat. No, you can't hide behind the cat. That's not, it's okay, Kiri.